Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another exciting English word. Today's word is downstairs. What does downstairs mean? Well, downstairs is an adverb, and it means on a lower floor. Think about a house with more than one floor. If you're on the top floor and you go to the floor below, you're going downstairs. It's all about movement and location. Let's look at some everyday examples to make it clearer. Imagine you're calling out to someone in your house. You might say, "Dinner's ready."
Come downstairs.
Or perhaps you're asking someone where they are. Are you downstairs in the kitchen? See how we use it to indicate location on a lower level? Now, let's dive into some synonyms. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. For downstairs, we can use words like below, underneath, or even a phrase like on the lower level. Let's see them in action. Instead of saying, "The laundry room is downstairs," you could say, "The laundry room is below." It conveys the same information, doesn't it? Another example, "The children are playing downstairs," becomes "The children are playing on the lower level." Or, "My office is downstairs," can be expressed as "My office is underneath my bedroom." It's all about choosing the word that fits best in the context. Now, let's explore the opposite side of the coin, antonyms. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. The antonym of downstairs is upstairs. Makes sense, right? If downstairs means on a lower floor, upstairs means on a higher floor. Let's use them in sentences. She went upstairs to bed directly contrasts with she went downstairs to get a drink. Another example, upstairs is much warmer than downstairs during winter. Or consider this, the bedrooms are upstairs, the living room is downstairs. The contrast helps highlight the difference in location. Now, how can we use downstairs in everyday conversations and common expressions? Well, quite easily. Think about giving directions. You might say, "Walk downstairs and turn left." Or consider talking about home repairs. "The plumber is working downstairs in the basement." Even something as simple as, "I heard a noise downstairs" is a common way to use the word. Let's look at some more specific sentence examples. He keeps his exercise equipment downstairs. The cat likes to sleep downstairs by the fireplace. We have a guest room downstairs for visitors. The kids left their toys downstairs again. I'm going downstairs to make some coffee. See how versatile the word is. Here are some examples of phrases where you might encounter downstairs. The downstairs neighbor complained about the noise. Here, downstairs is used as an adjective modifying neighbor. Or, there's a bathroom downstairs for your convenience. Again, downstairs modifies bathroom. We need to clean the downstairs area before the guests arrive. The downstairs apartment is vacant. These examples illustrate how downstairs can be used to describe locations, directions, and even parts of a building. One more example, the flood affected the downstairs rooms the most. Let's recap. Downstairs is an adverb meaning on a lower floor. We learned synonyms like below, underneath, and on the lower level. We also learned the antonym, upstairs, meaning on a higher floor. We explored how to use downstairs in daily conversations, from giving directions to describing locations within a house. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. Your support helps others discover this podcast. Please subscribe to Hello Word so you don't miss out on future episodes. If you enjoyed this episode, please leave a review. It really does help us reach more learners. Now, for your homework, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word downstairs and share it as a comment below the video. I'd love to see how you're using the word in your own context. Thanks again and happy learning!